Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video I have given question x plus y equals to xy equals 48. Solution, and we have to copy what we have. X plus y equals 2, and we have, this is equation 1, and xy equals 48, and this is equation 2. And above equation we have right here, we can make x as subject of the formula to find that x equals 2 minus y, and this is equation 3. Take here equation 3 into equation 2. What should we get? We should get y times 2 here times x, 2 minus y equals to 48. And here we shall get 2y minus y squared is equal to 48. Of course, here you have to multiply -1, and here negative 1 to get y squared minus 2y is equal to -48. Then by rearranging, we shall say y squared minus 2y plus 48 equals 0. And of course, here we have to find value of y by using formula method, where a is equal to 1, b equals to -2, and c equals to 48. And of course, here y1 and 2 will be -b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And here y1 and 2 will be -b is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of b squared will be 4 minus 4 times 1 times 48 over 2. And y1 and 2 will be 2 plus or minus here square root of 4 minus 4 times 1 times 48 is equal to 29, right, 1 over 2. And here y1 and 2 will be 2 plus or minus square root of, okay, here we shall say -188 over 2. And of course, y1 and 2 will be, here we shall say 2 plus or minus, this 188 can be written as, of course, you have to find two numbers. One itself should be half square root. Okay, what should we have? We have to find two numbers where here can be written as 188. 188 can be here, find 4 times 147 times -1, and of course y1 and 2 will be 2 plus or minus here square root of 4 times square root of -1 times square root of 47 over 2, and y1 and 2 will be 2 plus or minus 2i square root of 47 over 2. Whereas y1 and 2 will be 1 plus or minus I square root of 47. To mean that y1 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 47 and y2 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 47. And always have to find the value of x, whereas here x1, here x is equal to 2. Here, if you see nice way, you have 2 minus y, and of course x1 will be 2, then minus 1, okay, plus I square root of 47, and x1 here will be 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, negative times I is equal to minus I square root of 47. And of course here x2 will be the opposite of this, where this is 1 plus squared I square root of 47. Of course here we have two coordinates that shows x and y. Y minus I square root of 47 and 1 plus I square root of 47 as x1 and xy1, as this is x2 and y2. And of course we have to check if our answer is correct, because we have given x plus y equals 2, xy is equals to 48. Then we have x1, which is this one. We have 1 plus, we have 1 minus I square root of 47 plus, here we have 1 plus I square root of 47 is equals to 2, question mark, and of course 1 minus I square root of 47, then plus 1 plus I square root of 47 is equals to 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. This and this will be cancelled, which is equals to 2. We are going to check it out. Xy equals to 48. And of course we have 1 minus I square root of 47 times 1 plus I square root of 47 is equals to 48. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times I square root of 47 is equal to plus I square root of 47. Negative I square root of 47 times 1 is equal to negative I square root of 47. Negative I square root of 47 times I square root of 47, that is here we have this one, negative I squared times 47, because we have 47 squared, which is equal to 47, equals to 48. This and this will be cancelled to get 1 minus I squared is equal to negative 1 times 47, which is equal to 48. And this is equal to 1, negative times negative is equal to positive, plus 47, which is equal to 48, and 48 is equal to 48, then left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.